let's say the speed of train is x kilometer per hour. So speed of train is x kilometer per hour. So in case one, when the train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed x kilometer per hour, so then time taken to travel the distance 360 kilometer will be 360 kilometer by, since the time equals to distance by speed, so let's say it is equation number 1. Now case 2, if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, then it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So in case 2, when speed is 5 km per hour more, then the speed of train would be x plus 5 km per hour, and that time the time taken to travel the same journey would have been 360 by x plus 5. Now according to question, it is given that the time taken would have been 1 hour less for the same journey. That means 360 by x plus 5 equals to 1 minus 360 by x, 360 by x minus 1. This is the time when the speed is more than the uniform speed, and it is the time when the speed is x kilometer per hour. So if I solve this equation, I can get the value of x. So let's solve this equation. Here it will be 360 minus x by x, or if I take the cross product, it will be 360 into x equals to x plus 5 multiplied by 360 minus x. So if I simplify this, I will get 360 x equals to, from here it will be minus x square minus 5x plus 360 x plus 1800. So it will be x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals to 0. So if to solve this quadratic equation, we need to split the middle term, which is 5x, into two terms alpha and beta, such that alpha plus beta would be 5x and alpha into beta would be the product of remaining term, which is x square into minus 1800, so minus 1800 x square. So if alpha equal to 45x and beta equal to minus 40x, then alpha plus beta will be 45x minus 40x will be 5x, and alpha into beta, which is 45x into minus 40x, will be minus 18x square. So the considered value of alpha and beta are satisfying the conditions. So I can write the equation as x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equals to 0. So from here, let's make the pair of 2, then it will, if I take x common out, then it will be x plus 45. From here I can write minus 40 x plus 45 equals to 0. So this will be x plus 45 multiplied by x minus 40 equals to 0. So from here I can say that either x plus 45 will be 0 or x minus 40 will be 0. So from here value of x will be minus 45, and from here value of x will be 40. Since the speed cannot be negative, so we shall not consider the value x equals to minus 45, and we shall consider only the value x equals to 40. So speed of the train will be 40 km/h.